Welcome. In this video, I'm going to start Project 6 by uploading the zip files from Canvas. Then I'm going to go directly into the web storage file, and then I'm going to unzip it, then create the site. Basically the same thing for each and every one. So I'm going into web storage right over here. And obviously we need our Barry hosted user files. And IT, there we go, and the WIP. Oops, up there. So I have all the zip files from the other projects in here. So what I'm going to do is upload the zip file for the kayaking. I need to select the file. I have it in a folder over here. At the end of the video, I'll show you again how to download it. Click on Upload. This is a rather large file, so it'll take a bit of time. Have a cup of coffee or your beverage of choice. And we're getting there. Watch a quarter of a football game. Jog around the block. There we go. It's done. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to right-click on it and choose Zip. Let's try right-click on it and got distracted by my phone ringing. That takes care of that. And if you take a look, we should have all the files in there. Fantastic. Okay, so now we have the files in there. We need to go into Dreamweaver. We're going to create a new site. And let's see what it wants the site to be. It wants it called Kayaking. So we want a new site. We're going to call it Kayaking. I'm looking at the book because I cannot spell. Going to click on the new folder to browse. Need to be in WIP. Here's our kayaking. Select the folder. I'm going to go into advanced settings and again choose images as our default images folder. Click on that and then we're done. That takes care of that. You can find the zip file if you go to Canvas. And trying to get there. Okay, open up the site. If you go to modules, this should be in week 4. Here's the kayaking zip, and you want to download it. And that's all there is to it. You cannot open it up. Just download it, and you're good to go. Okay, that concludes this video. Have a great day.